Welcome to the broadcast. Our sign language interpreter tonight is Meresha Owiti. Now, in a bid to solidify his party support for the BBI document, ODM leader Raila Odinga today met all party members of county assemblies to rally them behind it ahead of determination at county assemblies. And as KTN's Brian Otieno now reports, Odinga insists that the document that has faced opposition is the best bet to secure the future for coming generations.
With the BBI document on the doorsteps of members of county assembly for consideration, ODM leader Raila Odinga made a case for its passing. To ensure its adoption, Raila held a meeting with all party MCAs at the Cooperative University in Karen. Odinga's charm offensive coming on the heels of President Uhuru Kenyatta's meeting with MCAs from his Mount Kenya backyard to popularize the BBI constitutional amendment bill.
Bomas gave us good ideas. The 2010 Kutu gave us good ideas, but a good idea can give rise to even a better idea.
Tulienda mashinani, tukaenda kwa kaunti zote 47.
Among the goodies on offer meant to woo the MCAs was a proposed ward development fund and the proposal to increase county allocation from 15% to 35% of the national revenue. In addition, MCAs will also get a 2 million shilling car grant.
If the MPs receive 7 million shillings car grant, why should it be a crime to give the same to MCAs?
On Monday, the official face of the BBI No Team was unveiled in the form of the Linda Katiba Lobby Group, led by NARC Kenya leader Martha Karua. The group faulted the proposed changes as selfishly motivated and a misdiagnosis of the troubles facing the country, further calling for the full implementation of the 2010 Constitution.
I saw another group of people saying that they're a group to defend the Katiba. Defending Katiba against what? We are trying to improve the Katiba.
Uongo ambao umeenezwa dhidi ya hii BBI, lazima ujitenge wakati ukweli utajulikana. So that mnapoenda katika assemblies zenu, muwe na debate ambayo ni informed position.
The BBI has also faced opposition from Deputy President William Ruto, who has scoffed at the practicality of some of its proposals, focusing mainly on the plan to increase county revenue allocation to 35% at a time the national government was having difficulties disbursing the 15%.
Mtu mkokoteni want to push mkokoteni the rest of his life. We push mkokoteni for want of any other thing better to do. So we must create opportunities for mtu mkokoteni.
Tukitoka hapa, we gazette the sittings, tufanye public participation. In a few days, tuingie kwa another mkondo.
The BBI bill, now in the hands of county assemblies, needs the nod of 24 out of the 47 county entities, from where it will proceed to the bicameral parliament and thereafter fronted to Kenyans through a referendum. Brian Otieno, KTN News.
Nairobi Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko will be cooling his